Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fayez Ali and my colleagues are Yasser Alyobi and Abdulrahman Al-Amri. And this is our COE444 project, which consists of two autonomous systems. The first and main one is the academic city, and the other autonomous system is used to test the connectivity between the academic city and the outside world through a wide area network, and it uses a BGP routing protocol. When we go inside the academic city, we see 5 buildings. 2 of them represent middle and high school, and the other 2 buildings represent COE and EE departments, and the last building is the data center. Starting with the middle school, there are 3 classes, as you can see, and 2 teacher office, and 1 principal office, and also a computer lab. And this closet, there is the edge router for this building, which encapsulate 3 virtual lines, 1 for faculty, 1 for students, and 1 for Wi-Fi. And the high school buildings has similar layout, as you can see, and similar router configuration. Now, by moving to the other 2 buildings, we can see the COE and EE departments. In the COE building, we have 2 labs and 3 classrooms and dean office. As in middle and high school, we have similar configuration for the router. Now, moving to the data center, we have 4 main closets, 1 to connect the data center with the academic buildings, and the other 2 closets are for servers. The first one provides academic services, such as the city web page, the DNS server, and the mail server. And the other closet provides IP addresses for the academic buildings, 1 for high school, 1 for middle school, and 1 for COE and EE departments. And by moving to the last closet, we have the edge router, which connects the academic city itself to the outside world. And all of these buildings are connected through multiple routers to provide redundancy. And all routers in this city use EIGRP routing protocol. And now let's go for testing. First of all, we're gonna test between 2 inside buildings. For example, here we're gonna test between the middle school and the COE departments. Starting with the middle school, first of all, we're gonna ping the COE, one of the PCs inside the COE department. Let's try this. 192.168.70.160. As you can see, there is a connectivity between them. Let's go and check the IP. Is it the same or not? It have the same IP. Now let's try to access the web page from this computer, for example. As you can see, we accessed the web page of the academic city. Now let's try another thing. Let's ping the data center. For example, here. As you can see, the destination is unreachable because we configured in each edge router an access list that permit pinging to inside buildings and accessing the web page, and deny pinging to the data center. Now let us test the email. We're gonna go to the outside autonomous system. In the outside autonomous system, first of all, we're gonna send an email to the inside autonomous system. let's click send. As you can see, it sent successfully. Now let's go and check the email. We configured the mail in this PC. As you can see, we received the email, which is, "Hi, I'm from the outside autonomous system." Now let's try to do another thing. For example, here, let's try to access the city web page. We are trying to access the city web page from the outside autonomous system. As you can see, we accessed the city web page. Now let's try one last thing, which is pinging one of the PCs inside the academic city. Let's ping the same IP that we pinged before. As you can see, the destination is unreachable because also here we configured in the edge router an access list that only permits accessing the web page and sending email and deny other surfaces. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.